Hey, I'm Troy Sessions. Thanks for coming to my website here and checking out my moose hunting and calling strategies digital download. It's the first ever of its kind that I'm aware about. And I've spent a ton of time producing it, filming it, editing, and everything that is needed to get it to you in the proper format that you can download on your phone and take with you out in the field. It's a big deal. It's something that I wish that I had when I was 23 years old back in 1992 when I moved to Alaska. Was brought up in the Air Force, and now it is here and available for you. It's a book, a digital download book into a PDF format that you can scroll through. I've got stories in there. I tell you exactly how to hunt moose. I tell you and show you the calling sequences. How long do you cow call? How long do you bull grunt? How long do you wait? What do you do first thing in the morning? And what do you do at noon? Or do you even go hunting at noon? And if you do, why? And where do you go? That doesn't, strike some interest in you. I don't know what is. What do you do in the evening time? Are you going to hunt around camp again? Are you going to go upriver, downriver? Do you know? This is 30 years of my knowledge of hunting, real life experiences, and understanding how moose work. Yes, I've had trials and errors, but I've eliminated all the errors so you don't have to make the mistakes that I've made. This is an honest to goodness download of digital content of my personal moose hunting strategies and calling strategies. What do you do if you get a big old heron bull out there and he's got a whole bunch of cows around him? How do you call him away from a heron like that? Is it even possible? It is. How about you're calling in a big bull and a real life cow moose starts calling over here to the right or left and calls the bull away from you? What are you going to do now? It's all laid out in my downloadable checklist. I got the morning checklist. I have the noon checklist. I have an evening checklist. And just for your convenience, I've put all three of those into one convenient checklist that you can download, print out into a paper, and take with you in the field. It's meant to go into your smartphone because most everybody's carrying a smartphone these days, and you can sit there in camp, and if you're having issues and trouble, you just look up, oh, Troy's got the checklist. He's got that digital book that he wrote about specifically for me to go and execute these strategies that have brought him so much success. So I hope you enjoy what I've put together here for you. You can click the link down below and get into the program and download the digital book as well as the 5 checklists. And by the way, there is an upgrade option to this. After you've already checked out the first one, it'll take you to another page where you can check out and or upgrade to the video portions of this. By doing that, it's going to direct you into your own portal where you can actually watch hunting videos or videos of me teaching you like this in front of a green screen over actual video footage of me out in the field doing and instructing you exactly what I've done. I show you real life footage of me filming and being filmed by my friends out in the last 30 years of Alaska, actually executing this and proving these strategies work. And that's in the upgrade. I hope this helps you all. And when you go to checkout and it says PayPal, click on the PayPal. It'll give you another option to go and put your credit card in so you don't have to sign up for PayPal. Just look down below, read everything, and you can do it with just your credit card. Or if you have an account, log into PayPal and you can go that way.